Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. This is going to be another unboxing video, but with a bit of a difference. It's going to be released on the 24th September and it's with Glossybox and Bareminerals, and this is what the box looks like. So inside the box there are 5 Bareminerals beauty products, including a brand new bronzer. The value of the box costs £75, and if you're a subscriber to Glossybox's monthly beauty box, you can have this box for £25, but if you're a non-subscriber, you can get this box for £30. So if you're a subscriber, you get priority access to purchase the box at 1 PM on the 24th, but if you're a non-subscriber, then you have access to be able to purchase this box from 7 PM on the 24th September. Both prices include delivery, and this is a UK only limited edition box. So if you're not a subscriber to Glossybox but you fancy taking out a subscription just to see what it's like, then all details and everything I'll pop down below in my description. So underneath this video see show more, click that'll bring up the description, and everything related to Glossybox will be down there, including links to be added to the waiting list for this box and links when it becomes available for purchase as well. I'll pop that down there as well. So let's get on to opening it up and showing you what you get inside. So inside it says Bareminerals, the power of good, creators of clean beauty. This is what it looks like. We've got a little leaflet here. I'll show you quickly without anything falling out. So in this little leaflet that you get inside, it tells you everything about the products, and also there's a little note that I'll read. It says, "Hey Glossies, are you ready to reclaim your summer glow? We've partnered with clean beauty brand Bareminerals to help you to get your sun-kissed radiance back. Inside your limited edition, you'll find all the must-have makeup and skincare products you need to make your whole complexion look dewy and radiant. Better yet, they're all filled with natural, good-for-you ingredients. Use your serum and primer to create your shimmer-enhancing base, then apply a touch of bronzer and highlighter to build your iridescent glow before finishing off with a look with a few lashings of volumizing mascara. Your luminescent complexion awaits." By Ellie Nash, the beauty editor. So that's why I'll be referring to this as we go along. So the first item is a Bare Pro Glow highlighter, luminous, lifting and lasting, and this is 15 mils. That's the outer packaging, and this is in shade Free. I had to look back on my emails to make sure I didn't make it up, but it says this box is available in Free for the fair to medium skin tones, or Fierce for tanned to darker skin tones. You'll get a chance to put Free or Fierce down as your colour choices. This box is kindly gifted to me from Glossybox in exchange for telling you all about it on my channel, so I'm really grateful, and thank you to Glossybox for sending it to me. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Hold on, little scissors. And pop it up there. I think it's these nails. These nails aren't the best. £1 Primark ones. Hit and miss. Some are good, some aren't so good. Never mind, never mind. I love the colour though. The colour is super cool. Fancy something different. Is that? Let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, I'm always nervous about squirting because it just comes out super fast. What is wrong? I am not with it today, am I? I am not with it. Why isn't it? Is it not working, or is it just me? No, it's one of those where you have to twist it around first before it slots in. Oh, scatty, 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 excuse me. Oh, that came out in a bit of a squirt there. Hold on. I've put too much now. That's going to drip all down my hand. But yeah, you can see there. It's not glittery, it's not too pearlescent, it's just really nice actually, really, really nice. You can see it's got like a gold coral shift to it. It's just very, very subtle highlight. It's a sort of highlighter that I would actually mix in with foundation in the summer, or I would actually just put it on the high points of my face, buff it in with a brush. Apologies, I'm holding it by the lid and it keeps on flying off. Luckily I got a load of stuff on the floor here, so it's well protected, but no, I'll just hold on to the bottle. Quite happy to mix in with a foundation, or like to put on just certain areas of my face. Let's start by shaking the bottle well. Should have read this first, shouldn't I? Well, why am I shaking it now? Never mind. Right, it says, boasting light reflecting mineral pearls, these highlighting drops will give you the best glow of your life. And then it goes on to saying what I just said really. You can either mix it in with your foundation or just apply it to the high points of your face. So yeah, so that's the first item in the box. That's the highlighter. Next we got a mascara. That's what it looks like there. That's the outer packaging. So this is a Lashtopia Mega Volume Mineral Based Mascara, and it says Dream Lashes, Real Volume and Lift, Magic Wand Brush, and it looks like a brush I might like. You can see there. I'm quite particular. If you've been following me for a while, you know I don't like skinny, tiny bristle type. I can't open it. It's the nails. It is the nails. Back to my scissors. Just do it neatly like this. See? Just lifting it at the top. But yeah, I prefer thicker bristles, like Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. That's amazing. So yeah, it just clings. I've got short, tiny, stubby, yeah, lashes. They're not nice. So I need something to really grab them. That's what that looks like there. You might not be able to see the writing, maybe. So let's see what brush you are. Yeah, it's a nice one. It is a nice one. For me, anyway. We are all different in what we like. But no, that is really nice. Lots of product on there as well. So I forgot to say, actually, I'm really scatty, aren't I? Forgot to say that this highlighter is worth £23. This mascara is a deluxe mini and the recommended retail price for this is £11.40. The full size will cost you £21. It says here the mascara boasts a weightless mousse-like formula that doesn't smudge, clump or flake. Instead, its nourishing minerals and moisturising ingredients lift your lashes, fan them out and add incredible volume. Better yet, the large brush features 600 soft bristles that coat every lash, as well as a tapered end that adds definition. So there's that item there. Next we're on to the bronzer, and this is the Endless Summer Bronzer, a little round one. Let's open it up and see. It's a nice colour. There. There, you can sort of see the shade there. That's really nice, actually. That is really, really nice. Nice and warm. And even though I've made a right mess on my hand, that does seem to be quite easy to blend as well. I've never tried any of their bronzers before, so I'm really excited to try this. I love bronzers. I go through them like anything. This is a deluxe mini and it will cost you £9.90. To buy the full size, it will cost you £26. This is a newly launched bronzer and they say that it will reclaim your summer glow. It also says in here that it helps reduce the appearance of pores and imperfections as well. And it just says think forehead, nose, cheeks and chin. So yeah, so there's that. So that's our third item. Next we got a Skin Longevity. It's a Vital Power infusion and it's a serum, and it says here powered by lifelong herb, California poppy and lemputiang, I think that's how you say it, and ginger extracts, and it's to empower, replenish, renew and fortify. And we've got 7.5 mils here. I'll just show you the outer packaging first. I've tried this a few times. I've had it in, what have I had it in? Debenhams Beauty Club. I think I had it first, and it's really nice. It is really, really lovely. It's nice and lightweight. It blends into the skin really well. So no, I really like that, so I'm happy to have that again. It says after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. Use morning and night. So this is a deluxe mini. It will cost you £7.20. To buy the full size, which is 50 mils, it will cost you £48. It's formulated with Japanese long life herb extracts. The serum will help to reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It will also nourish and hydrate your skin, making your complexion softer, smoother and more glowy. So there's that. And lastly, we got a primer, and this is the Prime Time Original Foundation Primer. I've got 30 mils here. So it looks like there. So I've got, and it's right in front of me actually, I've got Bareminerals. This is a Good Hydrations Hydrate Face Primer. You got about that much left of it. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It makes my face feel so lovely. Never tried this one before, so I'm really excited that I got another one and to see what it is like. But does it say anything about it here? It just says apply a thin even layer all over your face and allow to dry. Follow a Bareminerals foundation. So let's see what information says. So this is a full size and it will cost you £25. It's a mineral based primer and it contains plant extracts, antioxidants and vitamin C and E. It will help to smooth out fine lines, it will help to disguise pores, and it will help to remove excess oil as well. It will just give you a perfect canvas ready to put your foundation on. It will keep your makeup looking fresh and dewy all day long. So those are all the items. I'm just going to go through them all one by one just as a little recap for you. So firstly we got a Bare Pro Glow. It's a highlighter and that's full size. Then we got a bronzer, an Endless Summer Bronzer, and this is a deluxe mini size. Then we got a Lashtopia Mascara and this is a deluxe mini size. Then we got a Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's a serum and this is a mini size. And lastly we got a full size Prime Time Primer. So those are all the items in this limited edition box. It goes on sale on Tuesday the 24th of September. It costs £25 for for subscribers, £30 for non-subscribers, and all details and everything I will pop down below in my description. What do you think of this limited edition box? Is it a box that takes your fancy, or is it a box that doesn't take your fancy? All your thoughts and opinions, as always, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Really sorry for my scattiness in this video, dropping things, not being able to open things. I know, not very professional, but that's just me, it's just me. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.